What's up, fellas? Today on tap we have a charcuterie board for a very good friend of mine. This is how it started, with the stone coat countertop slab flattening jig, and here I'll give you an idea of what's going on. That jig is fantastic. Don't spend any money on anything else. It's $400. Just go get yourself one if you need to flatten a slab. And yeah, here we go. Makes a mess, as you can imagine, but the finish is incredible. The setup is easy, and here I'm just gonna knock down the high spots. I'm checking for the high spots and just adjusting the router head, going back and forth. It's monotonous work. I have absolutely no dust collection set up. As you can see, I'm knocking everything off of me every now and then. There we go. I tweaked the video here a little bit, just to give you a better idea of what it looks like, because the original video with the GoPro kind of sucked. The coloring, at least. Look how amazing this is. And that's the finish, with nothing sanded, nothing done to it, with the jig. Of course, that has a lot to do with the router head, the bit that I'm using. But that was a cheap bit from Amazon. Pretty good, I'll say. Yeah, we put some bow ties over here. And here you go, Cremona. Little baby cup. And no editing to the color of the video here. So, kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like. Also gives you a better idea of the finish. Again, no sanding, no planing, nothing. That's after the router. Not bad. It made my job for finishing a lot easier. I mean, nature at its finest right here. There's some spalting on the end, so it added some additional character to it. This was a tree that was in my backyard, and I was saving it to be my dining table, but it just didn't work out because of the bad twist it had. So I saved the pieces because I know it can be used for something. So we have a charcuterie board here. I'm going to make a dining table out of some of the other pieces, and then a new board for our house, because the cherry board, yeah, there's some spalting right there. I mean, what would you call this? Like the figure. It's more than just figure. It looks like flames. I don't know. Pretty cool. I have to do better at videoing with my phone. The quality on this GoPro kind of sucks. I don't know what I'm pointing at there, so whatever. Coming up, we'll have some still pictures. That's at Mark's shop where I did the bow ties. And here I edited the video a little bit as well. And here is the finished product. I have the first coat of oil. And this is the finished product. Oil, beeswax, and that's it. Bentley approves. Thanks.